study in Goodley Public School.
In which class do you study?
My class to study the pre-primary C.
Very good. Tell me the date and day today.
Today is 20 April 2021.
And day?
Thursday.
No. Today is
E.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yes. So we will do the recapitulation of letters V and
W.
yes. What is the sound of letter V?
B.
Yes. And W?
W.
Very good. So identify the pictures, tell me the sound and then write down the letter. Okay?
Okay.
Which picture is this?
Pumpkin.
क्या बोलते हैं? Pumpkin fruit है, vegetable है?
Vegetable.
Yes. So these are.
These are vegetables.
Which sound is coming in vegetables?
B.
So which letter will you write?
Letter V.
Write it down.
Letter answer?
Yes.
Okay. Slotting.
What is this?
This is dolphin wheel.
Whale.
Whale.
Yes.
Oh.
Which sound is coming in whale?
W.
Very good. Which letter will you write?
Letter W.
Write it down. Write it beautifully, okay? Very good. Which is the next picture?
This is wash. Wash.
Very good. So which letter will you write here?
W. Letter V.
Very good.
V W लिखेंगे.
नो V लिख रहे हैं ना हम तो. W बाद में लिखेंगे. जो W वाले लेटर्स होंगे.
अच्छा.
Very beautiful. Now what is the next picture?
This one. This is where web.
Which sound is coming?
W. Letter W.
Very good. Write it down. Beautiful. Which is the next picture?
This is van.
Which sound is van? Which sound is coming in van? बताओ. Van.
W.
Yes. Which sound is which letter will you write for the sound V?
Letter V.
Very good.
ये V से ये U है.
V. Which is the next picture?
This one. Go.
What is this?
Gully.
Tell me precisely. What is this?
वो fan क्या होता है?
कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. जल्दी बताओ.
Watch.
Yes.
W. Letter W.
Write it down. Very good. Which is the next picture?
This is one.
This is
This is
wool.
wool.
Which sound is coming in wool?
W. Letter W.
Very good. Which is the next picture?
This is watermelon. जो दादी दादी ने लाई थी मिली watermelon.
Okay. So which sound is coming in watermelon?
W. Letter W.
Write it down.
This is west. जो मैंने west
Ah,
पहना
ah,
है.
ah. Which sound is coming in west?
That is W.
Eh? Say it again. West.
West.
Which sound is coming?
जो मैंने पहनी है आपको.
Sound.
Orange coming in. That is me.
Very good. Write it down.
Me. W. उधर देखो तो.